So the next topic that we have on our list is creating website content. And here you'll find a bunch of prompts that can help you create text content or image content for your website. So starting prompts for website content, first of all, you would want to create a sitemap, which is the basic layout and structure of the website, for instance, home page, user page, and so on. So you can give it a prompt something along the lines of, I need to create an e-commerce sitemap, and you define an objective such as improve the user experience, increase conversions, or optimize the website for search engines. Please provide me with a sitemap template, guidelines, or best practices that cover the key pages, categories, and subcategories for an e-commerce website, such as homepage, product pages, category pages. This sitemap should be user-friendly, intuitive, and easy to navigate. Title of your business, and if you want, you can provide a sample website as well. For example, Airbnb or Uber could be a good template if you're creating a marketplace. If you're creating an e-commerce store, you can pick one of the Shopify stores that you love and try and work along those lines. Once you have the sitemap, the next thing you want to do is create a homepage copy content. So that will include different sections on the homepage that you want your customers to go through. For example, you will have a main section about us, why us, some of the popular products and categories. So you can also do that using prompts. And here's the prompt for that. I'm in the process of creating a new homepage for my business, website, or project, whatever you're creating it for. Can you help me write compelling copy that captures the attention of my target audience and ideal customer? It should be concise, clear, and persuasive, and highlights the key benefits and unique selling points of my product. The next thing is create a brand name. Then you can talk about products and services list, and it can actually create product list of products based on a specific whatever information you provided. And then you can also create product descriptions, both short and long form, for different websites. For example, if you want to post your products on Etsy or Amazon, and you can provide it with context on, okay, this is a similar product, provide a URL link, and then say, okay, can you write me a similar description for mine? Or you can write a longer prompt specifically stating that what you want to do, what is the objective, what are the feature, benefits, and value proposition that you're targeting to advertise, and create according to that. Create a blog article idea, FAQ section for your website, creating product images. This will be in the Midjourney section. If you're a paid Midjourney section, you can refer to this section as well and use that for Midjourney images. And then about the About Us page. I've also added a list of some of the simple follow-up prompts for an e-commerce website, such as product title, description, meta description, category, about us, privacy, FAQ, social media, paid advertising. What, for instance, if you want to get your Google ad headings, their descriptions, Facebook ad headings, their description. Then we dive into email marketing, where we talk about email subject lines, email message, newsletter, writing specific emails such as abandoned cart emails, email offering discounts. Then we walk into some of the other things that we can ask the model to help us out with. For example, you can ask it to write headings for your taglines for your landing pages, writing copy for landing pages, creating call to action buttons, FAQs, social proof elements, and then more about product title and about us. So this is just an list of different ways you can use large language models to extract the relevant information out based on your project and task. And I've listed down a lot of the different prompts that cover a variety of different topics. So to provide you inspiration, you don't have to copy paste these prompts exactly, but use them as an inspiration and as your starting point, and then you can iterate through different prompts and figure out which one's the works best for your specific use case.